To add transitions to our video, you can see the plus sign in between the clips. If you click on it, you'll see the option to add transitions or to add page. The plus sign is add page, then the one below is add transitions. When you click on it, then the different types of transitions you can add will appear. As you hover over each one, you'll notice the effect on your video. So you just choose the one you like and add. Well, I'm not going to add any transition to this video, but this is how to add transition to your videos. So next, we're going to add a page, a blank page to our video. You can see when you click on that plus sign, you choose the option to add page. You can see I've added a blank page. So you can add whatever you want to this blank page. You can add video, audio, or a picture or an image to this blank page. So I'll just go ahead to my uploads and choose what I want to add to the blank page. You click on uploads. I think I'll add this image. When you click, you drag into the canvas. You can see it automatically appears to the timeline. So I'll just go ahead and adjust it to fill the screen. So that's how to add a blank page. Then you add whatever you like on the blank page.